Zain Investment Group is one of the largest companies in Morocco. With a history dating back to the 1990s and a portfolio of prominent brands, the group is expanding its production capacity and market presence by installing new production lines specializing in various food products. Among these standout lines, manufactured by Atlas International are a corn chips production line offering various shapes and flavors, a pellet frying line with multiple varieties, a cornflakes production line with an integrated, fully automated, and highly accurate weighing and packaging system. Atlas International continues to expand its reach across Europe, Asia, the Americas, Africa, and beyond. All of the company's products are designed to meet the highest engineering standards, backed by cutting-edge technical and engineering expertise. At Atlas, we take pride in our partnership and collaboration with Zain Investment Group in Morocco.